expected it to look like. Not quite sure what I expected it to look like. This is beautiful. Cabo is a tender port, so there's no actual dock here for us to walk to Cabo. And here are all of the tender boats just waiting for us. They have been calling tenders pretty quickly, but I guess it's just how quickly they can actually get attached here and get some guests on board. But we are getting off the ship at 9:30 this morning. We have a tender already booked. But yeah, this is beautiful. It is beautiful weather out here. I definitely want to get in the ocean. I want to go to that beach that's literally right there, and maybe just walk around and see the shops and whatever else is around. It looks beautiful. First stop, of course, is the Windjammer. We're helping out families here from 8 till 9 a.m. So today in Cabo, it is a tender port, so we were able to get a priority tender boat for our group at 9:30. So everybody is just meeting here. We're gonna leave very shortly. What are we doing, Jill? We are taking a boat to go see the arch. I don't know what the arch is called actually, but it looks really pretty. It's the window to the Pacific Ocean. That's what Jennifer said. Yes. It was $15 each, but I think it's because we have a big group. But it's only 45 minutes, and then we'll be ready to go back on board. From one boat to another boat to another boat. Parts about tendering is being able to see the ship from another boat. Currently 11:26 and we are already back on board. That was a perfect morning off. We do have until like 4:45 off, so that worked out well. We saw what we wanted to see, the arch. We got lots of clips of that. Yes. And I just checked my email and go book some cruises for some. Ooh, that's exciting. So good thing we have a day off and I can answer a few emails. Yeah, Jill will put her email here if you want to book any cruises. Yes. We have to do a ship tour as well. It's going to be a busy day for us. Busy day. And lunch. Yes, we're hungry. Here's a behind the scenes look at our ship tour. This is the best time to do a ship tour on a busy port day. The ship is very slow. It's also a good time to do things like the water slide. Usually this line could be up to an hour long. One of the other volunteers waited in it. But today it doesn't look like there's too many people there. This is high on my list. We do have private water slide time on day 6, I believe. So that's what we're waiting for. All right, it's almost 1 o'clock. We are starving. So we're gonna grab some food in the Windjammer. It's pretty busy. It looks like they only have one side open. So we're gonna grab some, and then solarium, I think, is the plan. Yes. Yes? Yes. Yes. I'm hungry. Hungry. I know, that's why I said it. Ready to chill. So hungry. Some more food options. My favorite food options is usually at the back here. Yeah, there's like all the same throughout the entire week. Basically. Yeah. Like, they've got the deli, they've got the salads. They switch it up. They switch it up here on the favorite. Busy, wow. It is. All right, let's see. Do you have the case for the camera? I'm gonna put it away for now. I do. This is so zoomed in. This is what I decided on for lunch. For now, I may even grab some more. I got the chicken tikka masala and some green beans. The view is Here we're in the solarium, which is like our favorite spot to nap in the shade, comfy chairs. Our bellies are full. Yeah, a nice nap, and then I think I'm ready. I want to go to the pool. Yeah, I really want to do either the pool or the hot tub just to relax and enjoy it. Yeah, we could even water slides. I knew you were gonna say that. Our friend Bailey, who's another volunteer on here, said it was a lot of fun. And she wants to do them again, so maybe we'll find her. Do it. Okay, yeah. Sounds good. But for now, we're gonna nap. We'll talk to you in a bit. We are awake. I feel like we do. Well, no, I feel like we have done this every single day. Had the best naps out here. We're ready to go for a busy night. Actually, it's not too bad. Dinner and respite night. It'll be busy. And there's an ice skating show on during respite, so I don't know if we'll get to go see it, but I guess we'll find out. It all depends on how many kids want to go, because we want a ratio in terms of the respite space and in terms of the show. So we'll see who's going, who wants to go. We are in the solarium, and they have a nice pool, so might go sit in it for a bit, and then we need to go get ready for dinner. I'm not quite sure if Rachel is here yet, but we have dinner at 5:15, and I left her in the cabin after I showered. I ordered literally 2 seconds ago, and they brought me my appetizers, the chicken dip and the warlock salad. Bye, son. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow. We just finished up dinner. It was so good. I got 3 appetizers. Oops. I got 2 appetizers. I took a picture of the menu, so we'll put that in there. It was a new menu. We've never had it before. I'm distracted by this beautiful sunset. Yeah, 3 appetizers, 1 main, and dessert. So good. We have... What did you end up getting? Salad. I think I could guess your appetizers. Yeah. And then the soup. Yeah, good job. I didn't get the soup, but I did get the... Soup was really good. See, that's where I messed up. I didn't get a short rib because I didn't like the meat the past couple nights, so I didn't want to risk it. They did well tonight. Yeah. But I ended up getting the fried chicken, and it was not very good. Yeah, food actually has unfortunately been hit or miss on this ship. We're used to Icon food, which I did think that was like top quality, top Royal Caribbean food for sure, even though it's the same menu items. So, but tonight was really good. We have a later respite because we have ice skating shows, so we had time to go head to the Diamond Lounge and maybe get some chocolate covered strawberries. We are getting coffee. And some coffee. Yes, please. Okay. All right, let's go. It's so beautiful out here. It is. Gorgeous. Everybody's headed to the back to look at the sunset. I love these smaller ships that have decks for the whole track around. So pretty. Okay, let's go get our coffee. Respite time. Respite. Tonight is a later respite because the ice skating show isn't until 9 p.m. So our respite goes from 7:45 to 9:45 just to reach that end of the ice show so that the parents can go and enjoy the show. And we're gonna get the room all set up before our kiddos arrive, and then the Love and Marriage is actually on tonight at 10 for us to enjoy, so we can't wait to go watch that after respite. Currently on puzzle number 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage.
All right, we're doing the walk back to the cabin. Yeah. That's the end of day 4. We actually lose an hour tonight as well. I don't think we talked about that. So it's actually midnight, even though it only feels like 11. So we're gonna get some good sleep tonight, and we have another port day tomorrow. And we're still in our orange because we wanted to go to the Love and Marriage show, but respite was done late tonight, so we ran straight from respite to the show. But it was really funny. I got some clips. It was fun. It's always a good show, classic cruise show to watch. But tomorrow night is the quest, which we are most excited for. Yeah.
so much for watching. If you have not already, please be sure to like and subscribe. Good night.
Good night. Thank you so much for watching day number 4 here on Navigator of the Seas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next few days on board Navigator of the Seas.